Have you ever wondered why so many weight loss plans fail, even after giving up your favorite meals and spending hours at the gym? The truth is, it's not about eating less or working harder. It's about using the right system that fits your everyday lifestyle, and that's exactly what the Weight Loss in 30 Days program was designed to do. Created by nutrition coach Edith Ofili, this program helps you lose weight using foods you already have in your kitchen. There's no starvation and no complicated routines, just simple, affordable strategies that work with Nigerian meals. You'll learn how to portion properly, combine foods for fat burning, and build a plan that fits your daily life. If you've tried dieting before and felt frustrated, this approach puts you back in control, without giving up taste or culture. Here's how the program works step by step. Step 1. You'll start with a personalized meal plan built from the foods you already eat. No exotic ingredients, just practical everyday meals. Step 2. You'll learn the Eat What You Love method. How to combine your favorite foods in the right portion so your body burns fat naturally, without skipping meals or starving yourself. Step 3. You'll follow the 30-day transformation plan, a day-by-day roadmap that shows exactly what to eat and when to eat it to achieve steady fat loss without feeling tired. Step 4. You'll never feel alone. You'll join the weight loss support group where you get daily motivation, progress check-ins, and guidance from Edith and other participants on the same journey. That accountability is what turns a plan into real results.
So, what makes this system truly work? It's rooted in science, not trends. When you eat the right balance of proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates, your metabolism stays active all day. Your body starts burning stored fat for energy instead of breaking down muscle. You'll also balance hunger hormones like leptin and ghrelin, meaning fewer cravings and better mood. That's why this approach creates steady and lasting weight loss, no pills, no starvation, just science-backed results. And because Edith wants you to succeed long after your 30 days are over, she's including 2 incredible bonuses, absolutely free. Bonus 1, the Weight Loss Support Tea Recipe, her personal blend that curbs hunger, boosts metabolism and improves digestion. Bonus 2, the Ultimate Calorie Bible Ebook, a guide with over 200 everyday Nigerian foods, snacks and drinks with exact calorie counts. These bonuses alone are worth thousands of naira, but they're yours completely free when you join the Weight Loss in 30 Days program.
You've seen how this program works, simple, realistic, and proven. You've learned how it helps you lose weight while eating the foods you love. Right now, you can join the Weight Loss in 30 Days revolution for just 10,000 Nigerian nairas, instead of 50,000 Nigerian nairas. You'll get full access to the meal plans, the support group, and the exclusive bonuses, completely free. Don't wait, click the link below and start your transformation today.
Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take control of your health and start your own transformation, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. In the next video, we'll reveal how to stay consistent after losing weight, and how to make your new habits last for life. See you in the next video.